Odonphopa Pet Care presents ear infections in dogs. Ear infections are common conditions in dogs, especially those with floppy or coated ears. An estimated 20% of dogs have some form of ear disease, which may affect one or both ears. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to reduce the length and severity of these episodes for your dogs. But before we begin, now let's begin. There are 3 types of ear infections. Known formally as otitis externa, media, and interna, the most common is otitis externa, in which inflammation affects the layer of cells lining the external portion of the ear canal. These infections often result from the spread of infection from the external ear. These infections can be very serious and may result in deafness, facial paralysis, deformity, amongst others. That's why it's important to prevent infections and seek early treatment when problems arise. Symptoms of dog ear infections. Some dogs show no symptoms of ear infection, aside from a buildup of wax and discharge in the ear canal. But ear infections often cause significant discomfort, and affected dogs may show signs such as head shaking, scratching affected ear, discharges, odor, redness, and swelling of the ear canal. Here are factors that may predispose your dog to ear infections. Moisture, which can create a prime growing environment for bacteria and yeast. Allergies, which lead to ear disease in about 50% of dogs with allergic skin disease, and 80% of dogs with food sensitivities. Wax buildup, excessive cleaning of the ear. Treatment of dog ear infection. If your dog is showing any of the common signs of ear infections, it's important to consult with your veterinarian as soon as possible. Your veterinarian will thoroughly clean your dog's ears using a medicated ear cleanser. Your vet may also prescribe your dog prescription or drops for you to use at home. In severe cases of dog ear infections, the veterinarian may prescribe oral antibiotics and anti-inflammatory medications. Most uncomplicated ear infections resolve within 1 to 2 weeks, once appropriate treatment begins. But severe infections or those due to underlying conditions may take months to resolve, or may become chronic problems. It is important to follow your veterinarian's instructions closely. Excess moisture is a common cause of ear infections, so be sure to thoroughly dry your dog's ears after swimming and bathing. Groomers are also well equipped to help you clean your dog's ears with trusted grooming products like an ear cleaner from Hydra. Until next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.